So how to change the name of your YouTube channel. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First, of course, make sure you have YouTube app and make sure you are logged into it with the account or the channel that you want to change the name of. After that, open the app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, and then from here tap on view channel right here under the username and the name of the channel. Once it takes you here, all you need to do is to tap on the pen icon right there. It will take you to a different screen. Just tap on the pen next to your name. A pop-up will be in the middle of the screen right here, in which you can change the name of the channel. So tap on the text box and do the changes that you want and tap on save. But just be careful because you can only change your name twice in 14 days. You can even change your handle or the username by tapping right there next to it and then changing it from there. Once you're done, tap on save and that's it. You can change your name just like that. And it's the same case for this one, so be careful, you can only change it twice in 14 days. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.